These are the 10 most popular top load washing machines for June of 2026. And before we go to John to break things down, I want to remind you to stick around to the end where we give you the most important do's and don'ts before you buy your dishwasher.
All right, so when you zoom out on this list, right, really, this category is going to boil down to pretty much two brands, right, between Speed Queen and LG. And the only thing that's really preventing this whole list from becoming a clean sweep for those two brands is one single GE machine that we'll get to that's sitting at number two, and for good reason. But I think that that's really a massive statement about where top load laundry conversations are heading right now, right? So if we start with Speed Queen, and we should, the TC5, which is sitting at number one here, it makes complete sense, right? Because this machine has basically become, for better or for worse, like kind of the anti-modern washer, right? I mean, this machine is in pretty much every top load conversation because it feels like an old school washing machine, right? Very aggressive agitation, very deep, visible water fills. It's a transition driven movement where the motor physically drives the wash action in a much more direct and mechanical way. So in other words, everything is connected. Everything is connected together to create this really aggressive movement just like the old machines were built. So literally customers will sit there and watch the machine and say, "Yep, that's what I'm looking for. That is how you're supposed to wash clothes." And look, whether appliance people, including me, like it or not, that visual aggression still creates an enormous cleaning confidence for customers emotionally. And that makes the next part of this really interesting because the TR7 is also near the top of this list. And what's interesting is the TR7 tells almost the completely opposite story to the TC5, right? We're talking about much longer stroke movements with the agitation process, where that tub is really creating a slower and broader wash pattern instead of just this really aggressive, sharp agitation. So that's going to equate to more fabric protection and less clothing abuse and just a smoother wash behavior overall. And, I think the machine really exists because it came out after for the customer who really likes the idea of Speed Queen's durability story, but doesn't want the aggressiveness of that TC5. And I think that's a pretty important split in top loaders. The fact that customers trust Speed Queen enough to heavily consider both machines tells you how strong the brand has become emotionally for the consumer. And now from the LG side of the conversation, it's much more layered because these are very different machines attracting what I would consider a much different customer than a Speed Queen customer. LG climbing aggressively, I think makes perfect sense because it's probably one of the best examples of simple modern laundry that's done correctly. They really do a good job of balance. We're talking larger usable capacity. We're talking very approachable controls still. There's an excellent balancing system that helps stabilize the unit when the drum starts to spin at high speeds, as they do now. And it's got a pretty straightforward interaction, even though you can tell that it has a more modern feel. And I think because of that, these machines are hitting that huge middle ground customer. So I think important about LG is even as you move up their lineup and some of their premium units show up well on this list, and you see these machines moving further down the line into larger capacities and more cycle flexibility and just more customization overall, you're seeing LG separate itself from the rest of the category because despite layering in a lot of this extra capability, the machines are always going to still feel intuitive. And let's be honest, there are a lot of brands that add features in that accidentally start to make their ownerships feel slower or confusing or just really more disconnected from the consumer. And LG did a really good job of modernizing top load laundry without making it feel foreign to the top load user. And that's really hard to pull off. And with GE, they're sitting up here all the way up at number two, which means they're in a ton of conversations still to this day. And this machine really surviving in the middle of this Speed Queen and LG takeover says a lot about the machine, because GE is doing a really good job of bridging that middle ground between those other two brands, because you're still getting a deep fill story and really straightforward controls and recognizable wash behavior, and more of a traditional ownership feel, but it's still modern enough to not feel dated. And I think that's why it continues to be a consideration now.
Before you buy a top load washer, here are the biggest do's and don'ts that'll save you a lot of frustration later. Do measure your space. It sounds obvious, but people miss it constantly. Don't use the dimensions of your current washer. Need to measure the actual space, the width, the depth, and the height. Don't obsess over capacity. This is one of the biggest mistakes you can make in laundry, because bigger doesn't automatically mean better. Some oversized washers actually struggle with smaller loads or proper clothing movement. Wash action matters just as much as capacity. Do understand the difference between Impeller and Agitator models. This is huge. Agitator models have the large center post moving clothes aggressively through the wash, while Impeller models use a lower profile wash plate, relying more on clothing movement and water flow. Neither's automatically better, but they feel very different when washing clothes, and customers usually have a strong preference once they understand the difference. Don't assume more water automatically means better cleaning. A lot of people still believe more water means cleaner clothes, but that's not always true anymore. Modern detergents, wash patterns, and fabric movement all play a role in cleaning performance now. This category is really about finding the wash style that you prefer. Do think about what you wash the most. Big comforters, work clothes, kids' clothes, athletic wear, pet blankets. Different washers are better for different lifestyles, and that matters way more than most feature lists. Don't shop top-load laundry like every machine behaves the same way. This category is extremely divided right now. Some washers feel more traditional, more aggressive, or more mechanical, while others feel quieter, gentler, and more modern. And honestly, a lot of people know which one they prefer the second they see it run. And if you want to learn more about Steel Cod and where we get our data, click here. And remember, when you're ready for some expert help for your appliance purchasing decisions, click in the description below. Thanks for watching.